Let's learn how to pronounce the T and D consonants in American English. To pronounce the true T and D consonants, the tongue is in a wide, flat shape, and the sides of the tongue push against the inside of the upper molars. The tongue tip comes up to the alveolar ridge to stop the airflow. The jaw closes slightly, but the teeth don't touch. The vocal cords also come together to stop the airflow. A small amount of air pressure builds up behind the tongue and in the throat. Then the air is released as you drop the tongue and open the vocal cords. T, D. When making the D consonant, you should feel vibration in two places, in the throat and at the point where the articulators touch. The T consonant does not have vibration because it is a voiceless sound.